Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Essentials. Open Settings, right arrow, Devices, right arrow, Bluetooth, and other devices, and make sure Bluetooth is on. Once done, toggle Bluetooth off and on. This resets the radio and often forces discovery. Make sure airplane mode is disabled because it blocks wireless adapters. Put the peripheral in pairing or discovery mode and keep it within a few meters. These quick actions fix many issues because they reinitialize the stack and remove temporary conflicts before deeper changes. Next, address drivers and services. Open Device Manager and locate your Bluetooth adapter. Update the driver or roll back if a recent update broke compatibility. Then open Services. MSC and restart Bluetooth support service, setting its startup type to automatic so Windows manages connections reliably. If updating fails, uninstall the adapter and check. Delete the driver only if you have a backup. Then use Scan for hardware changes to force a reinstall. These steps repair corrupt drivers and now complete pairing. Go to Add Bluetooth or other device and follow the on-screen PIN or confirmation. You should see the device listed if discovery works. If pairing stalls, use the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter under Update and Security. It automates common fixes. Once paired, test audio or data transfer to confirm. If nothing works, reboot the PC, try a different Bluetooth gadget to isolate the issue, and as a last resort, consider system restore to a point when Bluetooth functioned. This can undo harmful changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.